All right, you guys, Wayne Adams back with another video. Today we're going to install a surge protector on an existing disconnect box. So we're going to go ahead and install this surge protector. First of all, get my meter. Anything LED, get out the sun. The sun will eat up your LED meters. Oh man. So, okay. So take this. Take this, a couple pictures of this. All right. All right, you guys, so pull the power, put my meter like this, because now we're on the move right now. So right now, if you guys can see, we're at 0 volts, so we check load, we're at 0 volts, right? But I'm gonna go to line, check line, I'm at 240. So the power at the panel is still on. Luckily, on a lot of houses, they should have like a little reference on where everything is plugged in at. So I see AC 12 and 10, 12 and 10, 50 double pole. Yeah, because this is big air conditioning. So we'll shut this off. All right, come right here. Check the power again. Oops, turn that on. All right, check the power again. No power, so we're good. All right, I gotta knock this out real quick. Gotta be real nice with the hammer. This. Take this. That's strange. It's crazy. It didn't come with it. Take that. Oh man. Get the water sealant. You don't want any water or moisture, so make sure you pull this all the way down. All the way down. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. Cause I'm way out in the desert. It's about like an hour from, about a 45-minute drive from where I'm at. So I don't want to come back. So we're gonna make sure we do everything right. And turn this right here. Boom. Get it around the wires. It's always a little tight in the box. Tighten that. Right. So now I'm gonna take these wires down. Take out the screwdriver a little bit. Loosen that one up. This whole thing want to pop out. Hold up. You know what? We ain't taking the whole thing out. It's doing something weird, so we're gonna do it like this. So unscrew this a little bit. Slide that in here. Just the holder is a little funny. Get that nice up in there. Put everything back tight. Pull it. It's nice and right. All right. Same thing here. Do the same thing on this side. Pull this down just a little bit. Push it back up in there. So it's nice and tight. Do a little snug test. Pull it. Always snug it. Same thing with the green wire. I'm gonna do this side. Same thing. This is just ground. This is safety wire. Everything goes back to ground. All right. So now we got the surge hooked up. So you just hook these two wires up on line. You hook this ground wire up to ground. This is earth. This is safety. Make sure all your wires are tight before you close it up. Put this back on. All right, tighten that up. The breakers. Oh, air conditioner came right on. So we're all good to go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the green light is on over here. It's a little green light right here up top. It's kind of hard to get this angle right because it's kind of a difficult little spot. My head really can't fit between there, but I know it's on because the unit's running and nothing bad happened. So we're good to go. So until next time, you guys, have fun, be safe, and remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. You want to get involved in HVAC, the trade, man, I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. I installed this motor last week. We installed a surge protector today. Everything is protected. It's an older unit. Next time they'll call me back out for this unit is to do a whole new system change out. But hopefully that won't be for a few years. So we're good to go. And we're out.